Good morning, everybody. Well, I guess good afternoon. It takes us that long to get started sometimes. We are heading to lunch. We finally got Road to help us with this. They are expediting.
Hey,
oh, yes.
Hey, Daddy.
Yes.
Can we go sit there for like 1 hour?
No.
Alright.
Maybe dinner, though. We're going to go have a bigger meal than that for right now. Road is expediting us a new microphone, and we are sending this one back, so hopefully you guys can get professional audio at some point in time in this vlog. Alright, so drive sequence and then lunch sequence. Let's do it. Hi, microphone. Alright, let's go. Are you looking for any particular restaurant?
I was just looking for Mexican food since I'm Mexican.
We had one Mexican food that was being like,
It was okay.
anything compared to Rosario's.
No, it was not that good.
So we just need to not go to that one.
I was thinking Rio Rio might be a good one, but I don't know where Rio Rio is. We can look up Rio Rio. Rio Rio has tacos.
Let's go find a map or a phone and look it up. Okay, you look it up. Kenzer's gonna go shopping. What did you find? Oh, is there a necklace in there? Yeah. So today's meal of choice is at Rio Rio for some Tex-Mex.
Take a picture.
Kenzer, your menu's upside down. So we were successful in getting the microphone to FedEx. Sorry about the background noise in this one. It just can't cancel it out. But there's hope for the future. Oh, I have to send them the email. Just watch, Kenzer. Thank you.
What color is the sky? Ay amor, ay amor. You say that it is red. Ay amor, ay amor. Where should I put my shoes? Ay amor, ay amor. You say put them on your head. Ay amor, ay amor. You make me go loco, un poquito loco. The way you keep me así, I got it and I'm así. I'll count it as a blessing. And I'm only un poco loco. Un poquito loco.
Yay! What was your review of lunch? Was it good?
Lunch was good.
Worth recommending?
Yeah. That was sit downstairs.
Yeah, definitely. Don't need to sit upstairs.
But if it's full, it's worth the wait to sit
Plus, you get the
downstairs.
mariachi bands and everything. are looking for a dining suggestion, what is it called?
Casa Rio.
So Casa Rio, that is the first restaurant that opened on the Riverwalk.
Yes.
And looked like a great option, although where we ate was also good. So
Which was Rio Rio.
Yeah.
Ben and Jerry's. That way.
Where?
I like it.
Let's go wait till we sit. This is going to conclude the vlog today. Finishing our ice cream on the Riverwalk. It is a great place to go if you are looking for something to do in San Antonio. Highly recommended. What did we pay for the boat ride?
42.
Stop.
42. Oh my god!
$12 for adults, and the little babies are like $6.
Children are 6.
Yeah, so if you're looking for something to do in San Antonio, highly recommended. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.